Morning guys, it's Saturday, as is pretty standard for Saturdays. Thomas was up at 5:30 this morning, so we're going to get the scissors and we're going to cut off the next day on Thomas's birthday countdown. He's getting quite excited that he's going to be 5 soon, aren't you? You're going to come here and say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone.
Come here.
Would you like that fold? Hello everyone.
What day is it today?
Saturday.
So what's happening today? Who goes to work today?
Mummy,
And who's home?
Daddy and Thomas.
Yeah, so we're going to have a fun day. You're going to hold up the number?
Yeah.
Show us.
Number 12.
Number 12. Wow, so it's
11 days.
11 days left till you are 5. Should we go wake up Jiggy, Mummy?
Yeah. Bubble.
Put your phone down.
We'll get like that. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna say. Guess what? Rah! Hello.
Someone's excited. But you share that energy with mommy.
Mommy,
Yes.
it's Saturday today!
Saturday.
So no school and no work.
No school and mommy goes to work.
But no school on light yellow. So the orange means all of us.
No, the orange means daddy is home with you.
And Mummy's going to work.
So we've had a bit of a lazy one. We were going to go out, but Thomas didn't feel like it, so we've stayed in. Me and Thomas have just watched Liverpool and last minute winner, so we've been jumping up and down in the living room. Hey Thomas, who scored?
Money.
So Mummy's on her way home soon. We're going to get ready. We're going to go to the fireworks tonight in Lancaster. So yeah, we should have some decent videos. Don't know. So,
Yeah.
you had a good day?
Yep. Not close, Daddy. Far away. Don't come closer. No. Nope. No. 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 Quickly. No. No. Quickly.
Tickle.
No. 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 I don't like tickling.
Alright. Get off. Stop it.
Mommy! Why are you going to see fireworks today? No, I just walked.
What?
We found a noise from fireworks.
Really?
There's been lots of noises, hasn't there, from fireworks?
Yeah.
Are you doing okay?
Yeah. So I ate 3 pieces of letters and I have my sweeties.
You're gonna go see fireworks later, yeah?
Yeah.
And you're gonna do very well, aren't you?
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Hello.
What? A cat is a cat. It card. It is a card.
Yes.
Can. It is a can.
It is a can.
Cat and dog digs in.
Dig in.
Dig in.
Well done.
Boom! Boom, bang, bang.
Boom, baby. All done.
I want to go to see fireworks.
We're gonna go a bit later. They're not on yet.
I like fireworks.
Hi everybody,
Hello.
It's Saturday night. We've just got back from a very, very successful trip to a firework display for Bonfire night. There was a big display in Lancaster at the football ground. Thomas in previous years has struggled big time, like doesn't do well with crowds or noises or lots of lights and that sort of stuff. But he was absolutely amazing tonight, wasn't he?
Those ear defenders.
He had his ear defenders on and he watched the whole thing. He was really enjoying it. He just kept, wow! He had a great night. We are so proud. It makes a massive difference to be able to go to these places, to not have to panic. I mean, he was a little bit whiny when we first got there, but once he realised nothing was going to happen, he was brilliant. We're so proud of
Especially
him.
it was past his bedtime, you know. It was just...
Oh yeah, we got back in the car.
so well.
I think at 8 o'clock. I think by 5 past, I think he was gone. He fell asleep midway through his crisps, which ended up all over the back of the car. So, yeah, really good day. This wouldn't have happened up until a few months ago. I don't think it wouldn't have happened. So something has changed since the summer. And we're hoping it's going to continue. Next up, I think, is the Christmas switch on.
Yes.
Which, it's not great. It's in Morecambe. It's a small town, so they usually just have a big tree in the middle of the square. So we'll go to that, and hopefully it'll be okay there as well.
Fingers crossed.
So it's been a long day. Ula's been at work pretty much all day.
Yeah.
We
Ready to go.
We have a pizza in the oven. And then this one will be getting an early night.
Well, early.
she's
It's
got-
already 9:30.
She's worked hard. Well, yeah. So thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.
Bye.